Do you own a rental property and have had issues with your tenant, or maybe you're not getting your rent on time, or maybe you're even still at the point where you're simply trying to figure out whether you even want to buy a rental property and you need to know what comes next after you purchase that property? Well, being an educated landlord is really the name of the game, in my opinion. So if you're a do-it-yourselfer and you want to be your own property manager, then it's really important to take the time to get yourself educated. And that's why I've created the Landlord Mastery course to do just this. My name is Sue Richey. I am the owner of a residential property management company here in Northern Virginia. And our company manages around 1,000 residential properties for other owners in our area. We've been doing this really for over 2 decades. So I've seen quite a bit. And when landlords have come to us and they say, I don't want to do this anymore, I want your company to take over, we see the mistakes that they've been making, like not screening tenants thoroughly and not doing regular inspections, and even unknowingly violating fair housing laws. A lot of these things that could get them in serious trouble. And I wanted to be able to help other landlords do it themselves and not make these same mistakes over and over. So I decided to package a lot of the knowledge that I have into a concise course to help you be successful and profitable, and approach this as stress-free as you can. The Landlord Mastery course includes lessons on getting good tenants, how to do great inspections, how to market your property and reduce your vacancy, and so much more. I've included a lot of resources, created a community around it, and can continue to add education and advice, and you'll have lifetime access to all of it. So check out the link to the Landlord Mastery course, because I know it can help you. And not knowing what you're doing can cost you way more than the price of this course. So invest in yourself so that you can make the most of your rental property.